this turns out to be a great fight, no? At napabaksak po si Inoue, nakabawi si Inoue, nanalo po si Inoue. Pero yung scorecard, ito yung scorecard. Ano kaya ang nakita natin sa scorecard? Sabihin ko sa inyo.
Welcome back to Powcast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Presented by Arena Plus.
Actually, yung scorecard po na ito, ulitin ko lang po sa inyo, yung scorecard, ang nakita natin, ito yung magsusupport na tama rin yung stoppage. Kasi dito sa scorecard na ito, wala po talagang panama si Cardenas eh. And all three of the judges scored the bout in favor of Naoya Inoue, 68-63. So isang round lang po ang binigay nila kay Cardenas. Although kung ako yan, personally, I would have given at least 2 or 3 rounds kay Cardenas. Matibay si Cardenas, but at the end of the day, yung activity po ni Naoya Inoue, yung mga patama ni Naoya Inoue, talagang kitang-kita rin. So, kung 8 rounds na yan, at tambak na po si Cardenas, at nabububog na, bumabagal na, eh talaga pong the scorecard reveals that it should have been stopped. And Naoya Inoue, still a monster. But the thing is, tumagal man si Cardenas dito, wala na ring ibubuga. Ulitin ko si Joel Diaz mismo, yung coach mismo, parang si Joel Diaz. Di ko alam kung siya nga, yung coach mismo nagsabi na na last na. Pag hindi mo pa ginawa ng paraan, hindi ka pa lumaban, tapos na po. Ititigil na namin. So I think sinave din ni ref si Joel Diaz kasi is about to stop it. Bugbog sarado na eh. Ang masasabi ko na lang regarding dito sa scorecard na to, that Inoue is still good. He just need to work on his defense because yung left hook, he is susceptible talaga sa left hook eh. Yung left hook niya na yon, hindi niya nakita eh. And the punch that you don't see will hurt you. Again, it was stopped in round number 8, 45 seconds of round number 8. So that is the end of this. And Inoue is gonna fight Akhmadelev. Akhmadelev, not known to be a power puncher, but now we know that even a non-power puncher based on record, kaya pong talunin or kaya pong pabaksakin si Inoue. Sa mga nagsabi na hindi glass chin, yun nakita mo, hindi na nga power puncher, napabaksak pa siya. So, what's your reaction to that? Diba?